In this video, traders, we're going to have a quick 5-minute guide for new traders to create a trading plan. Stay tuned. Hey traders, a very warm welcome to you. If you're a new trader, this one is for you. Stay till the end of the video. This will help your trading. All right. I talk a lot about trading plan and how important a trading plan is, but I know many new traders are so eager and so enthusiastic to go out there and make some money. I get it. We all want to make some money in the markets. However, stop and watch this video for 4 minutes, 5 minutes max, and this will help you. I know it will. Right, okay, so trading plan. I don't want to go through a massive process of create a long trading plan and stand here and talk for hours and hours and hours about it, although I could, and it probably does deserve that. But my goal in this video is to get you to start doing a trading plan. Construct the most basic of one. Get an A4 sheet, get a pen and paper, pause the video. When you've got it, come back and let's go. Are you back? Right, let's rock and roll. First thing is I want you to write down this. What are your trading goals? They will be things like, hey, I want to make lots of money. No, that's fine, but you need to expand that a little bit. We all want to make money in trading. That's why we're doing it. Do you want the freedom? Do you want to quit your job eventually? Do you want to make some side money? What are your goals? At least if you've got that, you know where you're starting from, what you're trying to achieve. This is not a self-help video, but it's all a good thing to do. It takes nothing. It takes 30 seconds of your time just to think about where you want to head. Stick that in. Right, let's get to the trading part of it. Number 2, trading session. So what trading session will you trade? So assuming now that we're day trading or we're intraday trading or we're allocating some sort of time, what session will you trade? Is it going to be the UK session? Is it going to be the American session? Or is it going to be the Asian session? Look up the times that they are and how they fit in with your lifestyle. Maybe you trade half a session. Whatever it is, this is when you write down what you're going to trade. Do you want to trade the whole of the DAX session, 8 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, all the way till 4:30? Or do you want to trade the US session? Pick the time that suits you and your lifestyle, or as I say, chunk it up. This is important because it stops you from flitting around from one session to the next. We're starting to define our boundaries now. We know what we want to get to. We're starting to define our boundaries. Okay, number 3, what markets are we going to trade? Are you going to trade indices? Are you going to trade commodities? Are you going to trade currency pairs? Are you going to trade stocks? What are you going to trade? Pick one and stick to it. Do not deviate from that. Say, I'm only going to pick commodities, and within that, narrow it down again. I'm going to trade crude oil, I'm going to trade gold, I'm going to trade silver. Or I'm going to trade FX currency pairs. I'm going to trade USD, JPY, GBP, USD, Euro, USD. Or I'm going to trade stocks, Apple, Tesla, Netflix, whatever it may be. You get the point. Your idea is to say, hey, my trading session, what trades in my trading session? Obviously, you're trading the UK session. You want to be trading probably UK products, or you might want to switch and just trade the afternoon session and just trade US. Fine. But the point is we're now narrowing down again. You want to become an expert. You want to know the time you're going to dedicate. You also want to know the time or the asset you're going to trade. Right. Next one, number 4, strategy. Not going to spend time talking about different strategies here, but you need to pick 1 or 2 strategies you are going to trade. Are you a momentum trader? In other words, you're waiting for trends to start and jump on trends to explode to the upside or downside? Are you a mean reversion trader, waiting for trends to end, waiting for them to curl? You're better at contrarian view. Pick one style and bolt a couple of strategies into it and stick to them. You don't have to overthink this process and think about the complicated nature of the strategy. Pick a strategy, 2 strategies, bolt them into the market you're going to trade, use the time. Now we're starting to narrow things down even more. You're going to start to become an expert. All right, number 5, risk control. The biggest, the most important one of this, bar none. How much are you going to allocate to trading? How much are you going to risk per day? How much are you going to risk per trade? How much size can you do per trade? Don't need to go into the sums of it now, but this is key. You need to know your total risk, then how much you're going to risk on each trade. You work that sum out by working it down, how many trades you're going to take a day. Have a structure, have a plan. Then you know how much the maximum damage you're going to inflict on your account is each day. And if you're comfortable with that, fine. If you're not, you need to bring your position size down even smaller. All right. And the final one, guys, you cannot improve what you do not measure. You need to measure your progress. How are you going to track your progress? Are you going to jot anything down on A4 piece of paper? Are you going to do a video about it? How are you going to journal your progress? I've done another video before about different ways of journaling, but just do something, just track something. Don't just rely on your broker statements. Don't just rely on your broker's P&L. Make some notes. The important thing is, guys, just get started. Goals, work out a trading session, markets to trade, strategy, risk control, the most important one, track your progress. A new trader's 5-minute guide to starting a trading plan. Go do it now.